Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the MSVCP110.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully to avoid any mistakes. Firstly, open Chrome, then click on the search bar and type MSVCP110.dll download and press enter. Now you will see different websites listed on the screen. Then click on the first website, as it usually provides a reliable version of the file. After that, scroll down and you will see a detailed description of the file. Here, you need to choose your system version carefully to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure you select the correct version based on your Windows architecture, such as 32-bit or 64-bit. Choosing the wrong version may not fix the error properly. Then click on Download. After that, scroll down and again click on Download. Now the file will start downloading on your system. Once the download is complete, open this file. Now right-click on the zip file and then click on Extract All. This step is important because DLL files are usually compressed and need to be extracted before use. Then choose the location and click on Extract. After that, open a new tab in File Explorer. Then click on this PC to access your system drives. Now click on the C drive. Then open the Windows folder. After that, click on System 32. This is the main folder where important system DLL files are stored. Now go back to the previous tab. Then cut the extracted DLL file. After that, paste it into the System 32 folder. If it asks for administrator permission, click on Continue to allow the process. Now you can see that the DLL file is successfully placed here. This should fix the missing file error for most applications that were showing the MSVCP110.dll error. After completing this step, try opening your application again, and the error should now be resolved without any issues. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.